Hey guys, it's Steph. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day, which is why this video is like vlog style. So it is about 10 a.m. I'm not in school yet. I don't start until, I think the day after this goes up, I start school, or maybe even the day this goes up. Really unfortunate, but today's video is actually a collab with Jess. She makes amazing videos. Definitely go subscribe to her because she's so nice and makes, you know, great videos. Okay, so I have my peanut butter. I like this Justin's peanut butter because it's a lot healthier and natural than like other peanut butters like Skippy or like Jif or whatever the heck it's called. So I just finished up my breakfast and I'll see you guys at lunch. It is 12:40. I have to leave for work in like a little under an hour. I'm sorry that throughout this entire video all the angles are so bad. I just like don't have a tripod easily accessible in my kitchen, so yeah. Alright, so here's my meal. It is just chicken with like sauces on it, so it's pretty much just like pulled pork, but it's chicken. It does not look very appetizing. Promise, it is A1, and I'm just gonna eat this and watch some more Tanner. Alright, so I finished my meal, but I want to keep eating, so I'm eating these, they're called like taro chips or something, but pretty much it's just parsnip, taro, sweet potato, and batata chips. They're the sea salt flavor, and they're so good, so I'm gonna eat these. Alright, so for dessert, I'm gonna have some more of those chips and probably some ice cream and probably like my entire pantry, but do I care? No. I literally have no pants on right now, so I'm not gonna walk around much, but I just want to end this video. I ended up eating my entire pantry. I had Nilla wafers, Oreos, those like chips I had earlier today, tortilla chips, grapes, and I think that's it. That's it. Yeah, I need to stop binging at night, but that's what I do. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thumbs it up if you enjoyed. Definitely go check out Jess's channel. Her link will be down below. She makes amazing videos, and yeah, that's what I eat in a day. Bye. Subscribe if you're new, by the way. Yeah. Bye.